Island style. Island style pasta with meat sauce. Pasta with meat sauce infused with island flavors can be a delicious and unique dish. You can achieve this by combining traditional pasta and meat sauce with ingredients and seasonings that are commonly found in island or tropical cuisines. Welcome to Oscar Island Style, your virtual gateway to a culinary paradise where the flavors of the tropics come to life in every dish. I'm your host, Oscar, and I'm here to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant and exotic world of island-inspired cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you've come to the right place to explore the tantalizing tastes and rich cultural heritage of island cuisine. From sizzling jerk chicken to refreshing coconut-infused cocktails, we've got it all covered. So, grab your apron, dust off your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the sunny shores of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and beyond. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment on Oscar Island Style. Pasta with meat sauce infused with island flavors can be a delicious and unique dish. You can achieve this by combining traditional pasta and meat sauce with ingredients and seasonings that are commonly found in island or tropical cuisines. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. The complete list of ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description. Ingredients: 1 pound ground meat, beef, pork, or a combination. 1 pound bag of your favorite frozen vegetables. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 to 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 bell pepper, diced. 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes or your favorite pasta sauce. 1 cup coconut milk. 3 tablespoons tomato paste. 2 tablespoons of dry jerk seasoning. 2 tablespoons of dry thyme. 2 tablespoons of herb de Provence. 1 teaspoon chili powder, but just a taste. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander. Salt and black pepper to taste. Fresh basil or cilantro for garnish. 12 to 16 ounces of your favorite pasta, spaghetti, fettuccine, or penne work well. Instructions: cook the pasta. Boil a large pot of salted water and cook the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. Prepare the island-flavored meat sauce. In a large skillet or saucepan, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they become translucent, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and diced bell pepper and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the ground meat and cook until it's brown and cooked through, breaking it up into small pieces with a spatula. Stir in the diced tomatoes, tomato paste, coconut milk, chili powder, ground cumin, ground coriander, dry thyme, dry jerk seasoning, herbs de Provence, frozen vegetables, salt, and black pepper. Mix everything well. Simmer the sauce for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken. If it gets too thick, you can add a bit more coconut milk or water to reach your desired consistency. Combine the pasta and sauce. Add the cooked and drained pasta to the skillet with the island-flavored meat sauce. Toss everything together to ensure the pasta is well coated with the sauce. Serve. Divide the pasta with island-flavored meat sauce into serving plates. Garnish with fresh basil or cilantro leaves for added freshness and flavor. This pasta with island flavors is a fusion of traditional Italian and tropical ingredients, creating a unique and delicious meal. You can adjust the spice level to your liking, and feel free to customize it with additional island-inspired ingredients like pineapple chunks, mango salsa, or grated coconut for a more exotic twist. Enjoy your meal. That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with #OscarIslandStyle on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island Style.